Yo, Sophie here.
And yo, guys, I joined a virtual party today. The theme was Hollywood or something. So they're asking people to kindly dress up as their favorite character from Hollywood. Someone dressed like as Audrey Hepburn, Nicki Minaj, Mr. Worldwide. Anyways, I was wearing my PJ. It's just still in PJ. That's my costume. I was thinking about wearing my Ash costume, but I just realized there are 200 participants, and there's no way anyone will click and see what I have in this frame, you know? So they invited a drag queen, was located in New York, I believe. But anyways, we had 2 rounds of bingo. Not my luck. The first bingo card, I was super close, but the second one, I rarely I got a number from it. So, and there were 200 people, more than 200 people. Even the drag queen was like, because we were using Zoom, so she was like, "Oh, there are 4 pages of you guys." I'm such a party pooper. I can't participate in any of those. After 2 bingo, it was already 7, and then drag queen was like, "I understand everyone here wants a prize, so what we're gonna do is have this lip sync competition." And I'm like, low-key in my head, I was like, there are 4 pages of us. How are you gonna choose a winner? And also she was like, oh, grab something creative as a microphone. The peers were having just like calculator, a flip-flop, a pen, that kind of stuff. Or what they meant for creativity. I forgot what songs they were singing because I X'd out and had dinner. They're lip singing something in Italian. She said, "Oh, if you don't know the lyrics, just say watermelon or banana." She's hella funny. So just say watermelon or banana, and people are probably gonna think you're singing Italian. But yeah, I went to dinner. I didn't even look at how cringe people are lip singing. Yeah, it scares me too, Jenny. So I'm just like, I'm so glad when the first thing that after joining the Zoom, because you know how it's like they're sharing screen and then all the participants have their slash speakers have like small icons on top of their share screen, right? And I was clicking the arrow, I was clicking all the way to the back. I think I had like 20 clicks until I saw people have no camera on. Just their name. And I'm like, ah, okay, I'm not gonna turn it on either. Did I have fun? I mean, it was fun listening to her jokes, I guess. Like, you know, it's not one of those that make you go like, ah, but you goes like, that kind of joke, you know? Oh yeah, also, before the bingo, she was playing some iconic songs and asked us to guess the singer. And for someone who is uncultured and uneducated and who only listens to BTS, I'm like, this is not fair. I swear, those music, I've never heard of it. Let me see if I could find any. Because I was using this app that could just identify the music. There is a theme from New York, New York by, I'm pretty sure her name's not Lisa. She pronounced it differently. Let's see, I don't know. There's also like Dolly Parton's 9 to 5. There is Get Happy by Judy Garland. Yep. She was like, oh, these are like icons and you must know these singers. I don't know. I don't think people still listen to 80s. Don't hit me. Please don't click the unfollow button. I only listen to BTS. Oh, you know what? They actually sent every one of us a snack box. But the first thing that I opened tastes like extremely greasy. It's so bad. But you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to buy those clear plastic gift bags and then separate them into smaller portions and give it to my friends. This is why I don't tell my IRL friends that I'm streaming. Because I'm telling you all these things. Yeah, Christmas gifts. Let me show you guys what the snack box looks like. You know what? Alright. Look, this is such a cute box. So look, this is such a loaded box. And they all fit in. Sesame snaps. I've never had it before. Everything here looks super healthy and actually looks delicious. So look, it's super healthy. There's a gluten-free source of omega-6. So you can see the little sesames from here. It's like a package of 2. Someone's gonna suffer. Something I may not like, they might love it. They could love it. And let's see what else. I think this one should taste alright. It's just sea salt, pepper. You know what? There's also like gift cards from HelloFresh, from Revive, and a postcard from the company itself. I don't know, what is this? Oh, it's this. I think it's this brand. It's a drink brand. Oh, I'm not gonna drink it. It is sparkling water. And I don't drink anything that's like carbonated. So goodbye. And this one looks healthy. Even the chocolate says it's organic chocolate. Nani the fudge. My favorite chocolate brand is Lindor. It is 60% dark chocolate with chai spices. This combination though, hello? Anyone from the chat wants it? And then, oh, something sussy. It's like gummy bear. I don't know, it just reminds me of Among Us for some reason. It's made in Canada! Da da da! Probably Canadian. Herbaland. And then what else? Granola bars. Blueberry vanilla. And this one is protein bar. Almond coconut. 4 grams of fiber, essential fats, no preservatives, and naturally flavored. And then last 3 are some cookies. Soft baking cookies. Hey, guess what? I've never had a snickerdoodle before. I don't know who came up with this name. This name is super funny to read. Wheat and gluten-free cookie. And there's like birthday cake cookie and key lime white chocolate. Actually, I'm the most excited about the key lime white chocolate one. I think so. It's called Wow Baking Company. Made with natural ingredients and GMO free. Sheesh! I like how they write in cursive saying, "You won't believe it's wheat and gluten free." Allergies, am I right? Okay, that's all the things that they put in the snack box. I'm surprised it's so loaded, honestly. Hey, anyone want it? HelloFresh. I can cook. Hello, chef. Have you seen my latest TikTok? Just exclamation mark TT and you will see the seal soup that I made. You will also see seal fries that I posted during the International Fries Day. You can also see my seal pasta. Oh, it's okay. You don't have to download it. It's just a link. You can just like open it on your browser. Today I'm gonna compile it with the wrapping part. But what I wanted to do is find Merry Christmas, just calligraphy. 5th grade handwriting, even though I only have 1st grade drawing skills. I can't draw. I can only write stuff, I can't draw. Draw just immediately destroys the entire bag. Question, what should I add onto the bag? So, may I have some suggestions that it's like holiday-ish? Plan to write their name on top, but I don't know who, give it to who yet. Okay, I shouldn't have asked chat, bye. Snowman? Alright. That sounds like a good idea. Snowman doodle. You know what? Good artists create, great artists steal. If you say that to the dean, you can't get away with plagiarism. Look, no one's going to check if I plagiarize. But no, I shouldn't add quote. This is not my quote. I swear, this is a legit saying from someone. Yeah, I stole the quote. I'm not even like stealing it right, you know? That's why I can only write. I can't really draw. Should I draw the bag? I'm thinking about drawing something like super simple, like some lines and stuff. Christmas doodle. Dang, I can't draw these. Hey, can I just draw these? Like, line and then draw the light bulb? So, what color should I use? Chat, say a color for the wire. Pick a color for the wire. Green? Alright. Oh wait, yeah, you said it first, okay. So, red for the wire. Hold up. I don't know what I'm doing. Red for the wire, but here you go. Green for the one of the light bulb and blue for some of the light bulbs. I'm sorry, T. I changed it to red. After they receive this, they're just gonna take the stuff inside and recycle this. You know what? I should say at the bottom, please recycle. Don't throw it in the garbage. Oh god. This is so disgusting. No cap. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I should have just draw leaves instead of trying to replicate light bulbs. Telling. Regardless, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Oh god. Alright. If you guys say so. You take it? For real, Jenny? What I got here are some candies. They are Japanese candy. And some maple syrup candy. Look. They just taste like maple syrup. This is so Canadian. And I also have these two. I have no idea what they are. But they are Japanese candies. Oh, and there you go. This is one pack, I guess. They throw it in. Just casually throwing candies in. I realized something else. I draw it way too up, and then it's like blank at the bottom. What should I do, guys? Should I just write, please recycle? Really? Jetty, which one do you want to... Anything that fancies you? Just pick from these 5. Top left. What color? Blue again? Okay, I'm gonna use a light blue then. Okay, this is the best I can do because I can't really put it down on the table. I can't believe I did it. But it's okay. It's about trolling and having fun. Bye-bye. I'm just gonna have like those washi tape and then put it on. Alright, let's do it. Sorry, this is the best I can do. I know how they like, this is such a thick line gap, but this is the best I can do. First time drawing it. No first? I'm sorry. I'm bad. Let's draw a reindeer. I want something simpler. Maybe just a head. I feel like I drew a moose rather than a reindeer. It's nothing like the one it's showing on the screen, but... Alright, that's the front. Not sure if I should add something at the side, like this side though. Maybe some hearts, you know, or star, so that it looks less empty. My orange died. Like this. Haha! Looks so much better, right? Actually, nice choice, Chipuni. On the calligraphy. Like it. Sorry, this is the best I can do. It's a Christmas tree, guys. I guess. Yeah. And then that's our second bag. Let me put it at the background. So then we can create a third one. Probably just this one. The first one that I saw. Pick a color, chat. Not blue. It's so simple. Just like this. But I guess I can add details to it. And yeah, I don't know, they're not like really in line. Not parallel, I mean. But I guess it's alright. Yeah, this is probably better. Bam bam! I can draw, guys. That looks perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I just need to outline, I guess that's the key. I'm surprised there are like so many variations of stars. I'm liking color pink. Small dot? Alright. Dot for Tifia. Boop. Have an arrow facing. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's actually a good suggestion, Alex. I like it. Thank you. Wow, this is so ugly. I'm sorry, whoever's getting this. I can't draw when holding it up. Alright, that's it. That's all. I'm gonna wrap it. What up? 3 steps to the right. On the 3rd level to the left of the corner. Wait, what the heck? Wow. I'm gonna use purple. Good at drawing? No, I'm not good at drawing. I'm just good at stealing. It's not gonna be perfect because I'm just stealing and then adding a little variation of my own. And then make it my art. So the end product's gonna look something like this. It's so bad, I know. At least you guys can read it. It's happy holiday. Celsius honestly makes more sense to me. Yay. They're not symmetrical. But it's alright. That's the spirit. Alright, I really can't fix this. This is the best I can do. My drawing skills are real bad. Not even capping. I'm dead. Have a Christmas tree. It's a rash tree. Yo, that looks simple. Look, it's only 3 triangles making a tree. I mean, nope. It is so ugly. Why? They're just using simple shapes. Why is it so cute? And when I draw it, it just looks like something like this. So ugly. Come on. Wishing you Merry Christmas. I'm just gonna write that. Why does it look so bad? It's okay, I'm just gonna write better. I swear. Tabam. Kapow. Told you I write better than I draw. No cap. Probably cursive writer. And yes, I intended to add, like, save some white space to add their name on. From Jetty to Mud Rider. Gosh, you guys are so funny. You can't even see it because it's too similar to the background. This is the best I can do. I feel like I shouldn't have drawn anything. I should just write. I feel like I already ruined the entire thing. Okay, this is what I have. Looks okay. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I gotta go. Thanks for hanging out and drawing this cringe AF stuff with me.